Howdy folks, here sits a 2024 Billiard Gray Nightster Special. Give you a little front to back on this one. Here from wheel up into the LED headlight passing lamps, bars, mirrors. There's your badge on it. Nightster version of the infotainment center, controls. Pretty snappy little ride. It's gonna have the Rev Max 975 on it. And swing back into 2-into-1 exhaust, LED run turn brake. Anyway, this 2024 Nightster Special is here at Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're located at 1966 Vilp Avenue here in Green Bay. It's us. Phone number is 920-498-8822.